What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to download Supermarket Simulator on your PC fast and easy. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. Okay guys, all what you need to do, just open your Steam like me and go here in search and type Supermarket Simulator. Click on it. You can also play free Supermarket Simulator this version prologue. All what you need to do, just click here play game and click here to install and go in library and you can play this free version. Scroll down and go here add to cart, click view my card, go here continue to payment, choose PayPal or credit card and go here continue. After logging on your PayPal like me, you will get your game in library. And that's it all guys for this video, how to download Supermarket Simulator on your PC fast and easy. If this guide helps you, share with your friend, hit subscribe button and I see you in the next video.